Hi, welcome to New Matte Factory. My pleasure to shoot this very first video on the world's largest LSS brass factory. This week I will introduce you a new product of matte, a static screen filter. It came out after a contradict. Similar products are made of completely metal. Asserters said it's impossible to make it out of full polymer. I will not expose him as he lost the case, but here you can see a completely metal-free and lifetime corrosion-free 100% polymer body. Screen filters are commonly used for solid-liquid separation in various industries and applications. They offer several benefits when it comes to separating solids from water. And this model is capable to filter up to 50 cubic meters per hour. Benefits of static screen filters: it is zero maintenance, and especially in a gravitational feed scenario, it brings zero operational cost, efficient particle removal, and our static filter screens are available for 1 to 100 micron of screen gap. For this product, our lamella space is like 3 millimeters, quite rigid and lifetime corrosion free. Also, just before getting into this lamella section to separate all the water, we have a dirt box to collect rocks and heavy particles. Here you can see the discharge flange. Depending on the application, once in a week or once in a month, you discharge all settled sediments in the first entrance chamber. And also another thing, this step structure makes the unit much more efficient for water separation. It minimizes the water we are losing from the unit. Our water filter range at the moment is from 5 cubic meters per hour to 1000 cubic meters per hour. Please subscribe and share your comments. Thanks for watching us.